Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel Priyanka Edu Advisor, and I am Priyanka Chauhan, M.sc Botany Gold Medalist. I have 11 years of teaching experience, and now on YouTube I will share my knowledge and motivate students and guide them how to excel in exams. My videos are helpful for all the school students up to class 12th, NEET aspirants, B.sc Botany students and M.sc Botany students, and I will clear your concepts and fundamentals of biology. Now in the part 1 of M.sc Botany syllabus, we had discussed about what are the units and the reference books which you have to study, and if you have not seen that video, go and check the video. It is M.sc Botany syllabus part 1, University of Kota. Now in this video, we will discuss about the paper 2, 3 and 4 of M.sc Botany semester 1, University of Kota. Now let's see. This we have already discussed paper 1, Biology and Diversity of Lower Plants, and I told you the books also, which books you have to study. Now we'll start with the paper 2. Paper 2 is Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm and Paleobotany. The unit 1 is General Characters and Classification of Pteridophyta, Stellar System, Telome Theory, Heterospory and Origin of Seed Habit. Very important topics of this unit: Heterospory and Origin of Seed Habit. Introduction of Psilopsida, Lycopsida, Sphenopsida and Pteropsida. So for this unit, Pteridophyta, this Pteridophyta unit, you will refer the book Pteridophyta by Vashisht and Sinha. This is again by S. Chand publication. Now the next second unit, Life History of Xylotum, Lycopodium, Glycinia, Isoetus, Botrychium and Pteris. This also you will get in that book, Pteridophyta. Now the unit 3, General Characters, Classification and Economic Importance of Gymnosperms, Evolution of Gymnosperms, Distribution in India, Life History of Ginkgo, Taxus and Neetum. For this you will refer the book. You can refer two books for this. The first book is Diversity of Microbes and Cryptograms. In this you will get the topic Pteridophyta and Gymnosperms by Singh, Pandey and Jain. Again, for the topic Gymnosperms and for the topic of Gymnosperms and Paleobotany, which is in the next unit, you can refer the book Textbook of Botany, Diversity and Systematics of Seed Plants by Singh, Pandey and Jain. For these units, Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3 and Unit 4 also, General Characters and Life History of Lycanopteris medulosa, Chetonia, Glossopteris, Cycadoidea, Pentoxylon, Quadites. Now the next is Unit 5. This Unit 5 contains Paleobotany. Fossilization, types of fossils, techniques of fossil study, geological timescale, general characters of fossil members of the Pteridophyta with special reference to Horneophyton, Asteroxylon, Cladoxylon, Paleobotany and the evolution of vascular plants. For this unit, Paleobotany, also you will refer the book Textbook of Botany, Diversity and Systematics of Seed Plants. You will get all the topics in these books by Singh, Pandey and Jain. Now some books are also suggested here in the suggested reading, but according to me you'll get everything in the books which I told you. Now the next is paper 3. Paper 3 is Plant Physiology. For plant physiology, the first unit is water relation of plants, unique physicochemical properties of water, chemical potential, water potential, apparent free space, bulk movement of water, soil plant atmosphere, continuum, stomatal regulation of transpiration, signal transduction in the guard cells. Then membrane transport, passive non-mediated transport and Ernst equation, passive mediated transport, ATP driven actin transport, uniport, symport, antiport and ion channels. This topic you will get in the book of physiology, that is Fundamentals of Plant Physiology by V.K. Jain of S. Chand Publications. Now one thing you should remember, that you will not in M.sc you will not get all the topics in one single book. Like you have to find topics in the different books, in the books of different, like you have to refer the books of many authors. Like for physiology you will refer this book also, which I told you, Fundamental of Plant Physiology by V.K. Jain. Then one more book is there, Plant Physiology and Biochemistry by Srivastava. Some topics you will get in this book also. And one foreign writer book is also there, Salisbury and Ross. You will find many physiology topics. If you want to study in detail, you can refer this book. Now the next topic is Unit 2nd, Structure of Proteins, Primary, Secondary, Tertiary, Quaternary Domain Structure, Reverse Turn and the Ramachandran Plot. For Ramachandran Plot you will have to refer some foreign writer book. If you want, I'll provide you, I will tell you topic wise also. If you want, I will provide you topic wise, like this topic you will get in this particular book. I'll guide you for this also. Next is proteinability, electrostatic forces, hydrogen bonding, disulfide bonding, hydrophobic interaction. So I told you the names of the 3-4 books of physiology. So you will get all the topics in these books. Now the next topic is photosynthesis, photosynthetic pigments, absorption and transformation of radiant energy, photooxidation, 4 complexes of thylakoid membranes, photosystem 1, cytochrome, BF complex, photosystem 2nd and coupling factors, photolysis of water and C4 evolution, non-cycling and cyclic transportation of electrons, water cycle, proton gradient, photophosphorylation, Calvin cycle regulation of Rubisco activity, control of Calvin cycle, C4 pathway and its adaptive significance, CAM pathway, differences between C3 and C4 plants, glycolate pathway, and photorespiration, chlororespiration, and CO2 concentrating mechanism in microorganisms. Now for studying physiology, I would refer you to just go and check and go and study your 11th and 12th class biology book, that is Pradeep's A Textbook of Biology. In this book you will get like very elaborative discussion of the chapter photosynthesis, and you'll get all the topics of plant physiology in detail over there. So you go and first study from the book Pradeep's A Textbook of Biology of class 11th and class 12th. Then you refer these books, refer the books of like foreign writers Salisbury and Ross, or you refer the Fundamentals of Plant Physiology by V.K. Jain. So that will like clear your concepts. Now next topic is respiration, anaerobic and aerobic respiration, amphibolic nature of TCA cycles, pentose phosphate pathway, glyoxylate pathway, oxidative photophosphorylation, gluconeogenesis, high energy compounds, their synthesis and utilization. This topic also you study first from Pradeep's biology from your 11th 12th book, and then you jump on these books which I told you. Then the next topic is plant growth regulators. This also first you study from Pradeep's biology and then from these books like V.K. Jain and Srivastava. You study these topics from these books. The topics are now Unit 5 is plant growth regulators, auxins, chemical nature, bioassay, physiological effects and mode of action. Next is gibberellins, chemical nature, bioassay, physiological effects.